Okay, I'll pick up where I left off. I'm going to show you the only the electrical changes that I've done to the motorcycle, which consist of not too much. I'm still using the factory wiring harness. My ECU, I made this aluminum pan for it. My seat actually sits on top of this pan, so I made this aluminum pan here to protect my ECU. But there's my actual stock ECU. As you can see, I have no power commander. This is just my stock ECU plugged into my factory harness. I did change to what they call a ballistic battery. The most definite thing you can tell about one of these batteries is it is definitely a lot lighter. So I did change that. I also have a two-step Launchmaster two-step, and the other component back here in the back, basically that is your $9.85 air compressor for my air shifter. Basically you can get that from Target, and basically it's that's my air compressor there from Target. I don't use a power commander or any of those things. If you were to purchase one of these bikes, I do have a 99 that I purchased new in 1999. I have a 99 Hayabusa that is the dark charcoal and dark silver looking color, two-tone color. When I purchased that motorcycle, I purchased if you were one of the lucky ones that did purchase one back then, you could buy matching leathers, matching leather jacket, and they also sold at that time a matching leather, or correction, a matching helmet, painted exactly like the motorcycle. So in '99 I did purchase a two-tone, it's like a dark black or dark charcoal color. And the particular motorcycle shop that I purchased that at in Texas, I was in Texas and I purchased it. They were already doing some performance work on Suzuki Hayabusas, and at the time I purchased it, I asked the service manager, because I knew that at some point in time I would change to an aftermarket pipe, and knowing that the bike was fuel injected, I wanted to be able to change the fuel injection on the motorcycle once I put the aftermarket pipe on. And lo and behold, there in the shop, he came out and I purchased this little box. And I'll get you to, I'll zoom in down there on that little box, and as you can see, that little box in that suitcase, it's called a Yoshimura fuel injection adjuster box. Well, in 1999, I purchased that box knowing that I was going to put aftermarket exhaust on a bike. So needless to say, I don't run a power commander. What I normally do is at the racetrack, I can adjust my fuel injection uh, every run, before every run. And I also do some other things, and I'll get into that in a second, what I do. But basically what I'll do is I'll show you how this little box plugs up actually to the factory wiring harness. I don't know if they still, Yoshimura still makes this particular item. But a long story short, this is what I use instead of a power commander. Like I say, it's called a Yoshimura fuel injector adapter box. And in just a second, what I'll do is I'll show you how this thing hooks into the factory wiring harness, in case you're ever lucky enough to get one. I really like using this box. So I'll be back in a few minutes, and I'll show you how this box hooks up.